we're going with something a little less traditional here. We're making some ombre pine cones.
Ombre pine cones.
I know, it sounds so fancy, but it's so easy. The first thing you want to do is add a base coat of primer to your pine cones, just so the colors really pop. And then to make an ombre effect, you're going to start with your darkest color first, and then just keep adding white into your palette and mixing it in as you go up. So it's going to start dark and just go lighter and lighter. And these are so beautiful.
Yes, and this is great. You can even have the kids do it at the kids' table on the day of
this will
Thanksgiving.
keep them quiet for hours.
Yes,
right?
Or even turn this into an ornament and use it as a take-home gift.
Oh my
that's
gosh,
nice.
Yes.
That's so great.
And then when you finish,
put 'em up
you
on
have
a tree.
something like this.
Oh, that's cool.
Beautiful, huh?
That's really cool.
You want to grab some of those candles
Yeah,
and bring it
sure.
to the table here?
Sure.